a G502 to conquer the heart of gamers, a G900 to free them from their cables, a Pro to offer them lightness and simplicity, and a G900 so that it can recharge directly from the pad. So far, Logitech is revolutionizing the gaming mouse market. However, the Logitech G Pro Wireless doesn't show in any way its affiliation with the world of video games. It has sober lines, soft curves, and almost no flamboyant feature in its entire surface. It almost looks like an office model, albeit a really good one. Design. Featuring a symmetrical design, the G Pro Wireless offers two slightly sloping main buttons, for a comfortable yet dynamic stance. The device has a slightly arched back in order to improve overall ergonomics, whatever the grip may be. People with big hands will appreciate this design choice, while the ones with smaller hands will adapt without any difficulty. Both on the right and left side we find two thumb buttons which, like the ones on the G900 and G903, can be replaced with a plastic insert thanks to the magnetic fixing system. This system allows the user to go from 0 to 4 buttons, or vice versa, in a few seconds. The almost central placement of these side buttons makes them particularly effective when used with a claw grip, and only the biggest hands will have to put in some small effort to bring the thumb back. Surprisingly, the thumb buttons on the opposite side are somewhat accessible via the ring or little finger. In short, the whole design is as efficient as it is elegant. The scroll wheel is as simple as it can get, offering just a slightly notched rubbery texture and a click action. And that will be all. Although it is possible to completely customize the mouse's buttons, the default DPI button has been relegated to the underside, similar to the on/off button. And while the integrated memory on the G Pro Wireless allows for up to 5 different profiles, there is no dedicated key for selecting them by default, leaving the choice up to the user, at the expense of another button. Underneath the mouse, there is a hatch identical to the one on the G403 Prodigy. But here space is reserved to store the USB dongle. Finally, at the front, a micro USB port allows us to both recharge the mouse or use it as a wired device. The G Pro Wireless is also compatible with the PowerPlay charging technology. Moving on to the sensor, this mouse is equipped with the Hero 16K model, which, as the name suggests, offers a maximum resolution of 16,000 dpi. This sensor is also perfectly accurate and can track up to a speed of 400 inches per second. It also consumes less than the traditional PMW 3366 model from PixArt, thus contributing to the excellent autonomy. What really surprised us was the weight of the device that doesn't exceed 80 grams. A feat that makes this device remarkably fast and easy to use. The mouse slides on its 5 Teflon pads and is extremely light, manageable and agile. Moreover, its low inertia doesn't prevent it from being formidable in terms of precision work and minute movements. So, despite its apparent simplicity, the G Pro Wireless embeds the best in sensor technology, wireless transmission and charging, and has an autonomy that can reach 70 hours, or just 30 hours with the RGB lighting turned on. Software. Logitech's Video Game Wizard software, which unifies the management of its accessories, is also an example of simplicity and ergonomics. It has everything a gamer needs: complete remapping, macros, sensor management, RGB lighting, and automatic profiles for each application. Verdict. The G Pro Wireless is currently one of the best wireless gaming mice in terms of quality and precision. We recommend trying it out beforehand to test if its shape is suitable for your hand and grip. Sadly, the price is very high, despite the high quality. Compared to other mice such as the G903, the G Pro Wireless offers fewer features and no weight management. If you like extra functions or additional buttons, you should check out other products. On the other hand, competitive gamers who need a very precise and light gaming mouse will get their money's worth.